Let's understand now Wallet Transaction Report. All these transactions which are done through your wallet are called as wallet transactions. For example, wallet recharge, any payment through wallet, etc. To view Wallet Transaction Report, you need to click on the Wallet Transaction tab. Now, your screen will have widget of wallet transactions where there are two types of information available. All the information of your transaction will be present here that you have done in iThink Logistics wallet till date. Wallet recharge. In this section, you can verify all the history of online and offline payments which have been credited in your iThink Logistics wallet. Wallet deducted. In this section, you can view the amount that has been deducted from your wallet account against any particular invoice number. Here, you can view the remarks which iThink Logistics team might have added against any particular transaction. Now, we are going to understand one by one different information present in wallet transaction reports. In date and time section, seller can view date and time information of any credit or debit amount. Every credited or debited amount has a unique ID. That ID is being reflected in Transaction ID section. The total wallet amount that has been adjusted against a particular invoice you can view in debit section. The amount which has been credited in wallet you can see in credit section. Balance section will reflect in the final amount in wallet. After calculating all credit and debit transactions, whatever final amount is remaining, it will be reflected here. If iThink Logistics team has written and remarks related to any credit or debit amount that you can view here. In this section, 3 tabs are visible. Whichever tab you select, the data will be presented accordingly. If Wallet Recharge tab is selected, then only entries related to recharges will be visible. And if Wallet Deduction tab is chosen, then entries belonging to the deduction only will be presented. If All tab is selected, then all the entries will be visible. Here you can view all the entries of adjusted wallet amount against any invoice, be credited or debited. Let's understand this with an example. If All tab is selected, then seller can view all credit and debit transaction. Also here, you can view transaction ID, amount and transaction date. If you select Wallet Recharge tab, then you can view all credited transaction details. After clicking on Wallet Deduction tab, you can view detailed debit transaction. Here, remarks and comments are also visible. Let's see how one can filter the data further with available filters. As you have already used date search box before, you can use same way in this date search box. As you click on date search box, a pop-up will be visible on the screen. Here you can select today's date, yesterday's date, last 7 days data, last 30 days data, last month's data. In custom date, you can search the data by entering 2 different dates. You have to enter start date and end date. Then, after clicking apply button, you can view data related to selected date. If you want to further filter the visible data based on data and time, you can use the date and time filter. As you click on the date and time filter, a pop-up will be visible on screen. Here, from all available date options, you can select a date option according to your requirement. The process which you followed in date search box, you will use same process to filter the data in date and time filter. For example, today's date, yesterday's date, last 7 days data, last 30 days data, last month's data. If you want to filter data according to 2 dates, then you need to choose custom date. Here, you need to enter start and end date. Then, you need to click on apply button. After clicking on apply button, your screen will have filtered data. If you want to filter data according to the transaction ID, Then you have to choose Transaction ID filter. As you click on Transaction ID, your screen will have a pop-up where you have to enter Transaction ID. As you click on Apply button, your screen will have filtered data. If you want to remove this particular filter, then you have to click on Reset button. Now, you can view data before applying Transaction ID filter. When you hover or move your cursor over Remarks section, then detailed information related to wallet transaction will be visible. After clicking Export Order button, present at top right corner, you can download Wallet Transaction Report in Excel format. This report has detailed information of wallet transactions. Let's do this process practically. First of all, click on Billing section. Now click on Wallet Transaction tab. As you click on Export button on top right corner, all the reports of wallet transaction will be downloaded in Excel format. These reports have detailed information of wallet transactions.